Hi, I'm Miss Linda. I'm here at the Bell Road Library of the Newburgh-Chandler Public Library. Today, I brought a story called The Kitten Who Lost Her Purr. I would like to thank my friend Samantha for lending me her cat, Selena, to help me tell this puppet story. Kitten could make all kinds of noises. She could meow when she was hungry. Meow, meow, meow. She could hiss if the dog came too close. And if she was angry, she could yowl. Meow. But one morning, Kitty could not purr. She asked her mom. She called her mom Selena. Mommy, Mommy, I can't find my purr. Oh, little kitty, just be patient and wait. You will find your purr. Little kitty said, be patient and wait. I don't like to wait. I am going to go find my purr. And off she went to find her purr. The first animal she found was dog. Kitty said, Dog, dog, do you have my purr? I can't find it. Woof, 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 woof. Does that sound like a purr? No, that's not my purr. I'll just have to keep looking. Little kitty kept looking. She looked up in a tree. No purr. She looked in the pond and found duck. Hey, duck, do you have my purr? I can meow and but I can't find my purr. Duck said, maybe I can help. Here's the sound that I make. You can try it too. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, thanks, duck, but that is not my purr. I will just have to keep looking. So Kitten kept looking. She walked around the farm and came to a big, muddy, fenced-in spot. I don't see my purr in there. But she did see Pig. Hey, Pig, I'm looking for my purr. Have you seen it? Maybe you have it. Pig said, silly kitty, pigs don't purr. Pigs oink, 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 oink. Try it. You might like that. Little kitty said, oh, thanks, Pig. That's a nice noise for a pig, but I really want to find my purr. So Kitten kept looking. Across from the pig pen, she saw a field. That's a big field, said Kitten. I hope my purr is not lost in there. She looked around a little bit. She didn't see a purr, but she did see sheep. Hey, sheep, I've lost my purr. Is it in your field? Sheep said, the only thing I know that's here, besides that good grass to eat, is my old ba. Ba. I could share that with you. Kitten said, thanks, sheep, but I really, really want my purr. Sheep said, why don't you go ask Owl? He is very wise. He might know where it is. So Kitten went to find Owl. She found him sitting in a tree. Owl, Owl, I am so tired. I have been looking for my purr all day. Oh, can you help me find my purr? Do you have it? Owl said, no, I don't have it. But go back home to your mommy. She might be able to help. Kitten ran all the way back home. Selena! Selena! Owl says you might have my purr. Was it here all along? Selena said, you silly little kitty. You have your purr. It is inside of you. When you are happy, you purr. Nobody can take that away. Kitty and Selena snuggled up together. Everything was very quiet. Owl did not hoot. Sheep did not baa. Pig did not oink. Duck did not quack. And dog did not woof. They all sat very quietly, and then they heard the most perfect purr they had ever heard. That is my version of the story called Have You Got My Purr by Judy West. I'd like to thank Samantha again for letting Selena come to the library to help us out. Thanks for listening, guys. I'll see you again next time.